In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a cheaper price on Agoda. The very first tip is to always use the Agoda mobile app instead of the website on your computer. This is because the app often provides additional coupons and discounts that are not available on the desktop version. So make sure to download and use the app for your bookings. The second thing you should know is that if you have recently created your Agoda account, you will find several welcome coupons displayed right on your homepage. Collect these coupons, and they will automatically apply to your bookings when you select eligible hotels. Another useful strategy is to book your hotels in advance rather than at the last minute. For example, if I search for a room for today, the prices might start at $37. But if I adjust the search to a date that is 3 or 4 days ahead, the same room could cost as low as $21. By booking at least 3 to 4 days in advance, you can often cut prices by almost half compared to same-day bookings. This is one of the most effective ways to save significantly on Agoda. The last and perhaps the most powerful method to get cheaper prices is by using Agoda VIP. We already have a complete video on how to get Agoda VIP, where we also explained how you can even access it for free. Once you unlock VIP status, you will gain exclusive discounts. For example, Platinum VIP members can enjoy up to 25% off on select properties. To use this, search for your preferred area, then tap on the Filters option at the upper left-hand side of your screen. Scroll down to the very bottom, where you will find an option for Agoda VIP deals. Enable it and tap on Filter. After this, only properties with VIP deals will be displayed, clearly labeled with a VIP tag. If you have Platinum status, you can enjoy discounts of up to 25% without doing anything extra. These savings apply across many properties, and you can see them directly in the search results. Using these three methods, booking through the app, booking in advance, and unlocking Agoda VIP, ensures you always get the cheapest possible prices.